currently sorting through drone footage and importing it onto my iPad mini to export little clips, and I want to show you my workflow because it's pretty sweet, I think. To get the footage off of the Mavic and onto my iPad, I use this SD card adapter with a micro SD card adapter stuck into it. I then imported it into Photos, so this is just the standard Apple Photos app. Alright, so then when we play the video, I can scroll through here and find the clip that I want. So I want this little bit when the scamp comes into frame. Once I have that part selected, I'll go to edit and then in my mind mark where that is, drag the crop tool into it, and here is our new clip of the scamp driving over the bridge. Then hit the share button, and I can send it to Elsa or myself over AirDrop or whatever editing software I want to use the clip in. This is pretty cool because this iPad is from like mid-2012, so it's like 7 years old, and I'm getting like a lot of mileage out of it still. Recent purchases that have made this iPad more effective are this Zagg keyboard that I picked up for like 30 bucks because it's so old, and this Pencil by 53, which was like the precursor to the Apple Pencil, and you can use it with all of the older iPads. The other cool thing about this setup is I can power it all with this little Biolite battery. No, I'm just going to use iMovie because it's free, but LumaFusion is supposedly a far better video editing app. But since this iPad's so old, I'm afraid that LumaFusion probably wouldn't run super well on it. Then hit Create Movie, and it'll begin importing, and then we can edit. Here's our timeline with all of our clips in it. And if we want, we can go in here and clip these up similar to how we did in Photos, if we'd rather do it in iMovie. And here's our video. I went ahead and put in some little speed ramps in some of the clips to make them go a little quicker, but pretty simple. What is right? What is best for your life? Here's the recording of Elsa playing the uke in voice memos, and we'll go ahead and trim this just like we did the last clips. Now we have Elsa's audio in here. Now we export to Insta. Boom, it's alive. Go check it out. Yay, thanks for following along.